Two more do-it-yourself body washes, you say? You can never have too many body washes. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make two more do-it-yourself recipes. Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends. Today we're going to be doing another couple of DIY body washes. Are you tired of body washes yet? Me either. So let's get started, shall we? Alright, so the first thing that we're going to add is 1.5 cup of Castile soap. I'm using the Castile soap that's pure and natural from Amazon. You want to make sure you use a pure natural one and not the soap base. And this is used for the natural lathering. So we'll add 1.5 cups of Castile soap. And next we're going to be using 4 teaspoons of glycerin. Now glycerin bonds with water to moisturize. It's excellent for dry skin. It heals the skin and enhances the appearance of the skin. 4 teaspoons of glycerin. And then the last ingredient is going to be 1 teaspoon of coconut soap fragrance. Now, soap fragrance doesn't really have any healing properties. It's just a fragrance. So if you'd rather, you could go ahead and use about 10 to 20 drops of whatever essential oil that you like. My husband likes this, so this is what I'm going to use. So 1 teaspoon of coconut soap fragrance. And I got the soap fragrance at Hobby Lobby, and they have so many different scents. It's amazing. And then go ahead and give that a stir. And that's all the ingredients that's in this one. I'll go ahead and put it in an 8-ounce amber bottle. I use amber so the UV rays will not destroy the essential oil. This doesn't have essential oil, but this is what kind of bottle that I have. So if you do use essential oil, either use the glass bottles or an amber one. And I'll be right back to show you what it looks like. And here's the finished product. Now you can use these for yourself or give them for gifts. It made more than the 8 ounces, so I put the remainder in a 3-ounce travel size bottle so you can take it with you when you go on your trips. Are you ready for the next do-it-yourself body wash? The first ingredient is 1/2 cup Castile soap. Now Castile soap, you want to use the pure and natural like this one, which I got at Amazon, and you're going to want 1/2 cup. Now Castile soap is for lathering naturally. No chemicals in it. 1/2 cup Castile soap. The next ingredient is 1/2 cup raw honey. It needs to be raw because that doesn't have anything added to it. And I just went to Walmart and bought this raw pure clover honey, and it was about $4. Okay, 1/2 cup of raw honey. Now honey is a natural moisturizer. It nourishes the skin. It's antibacterial. It reduces inflammation. It has healing properties to soothe the sunburns and blemished skin. The next ingredient is 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Castor oil contains omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids along with vitamin E and other proteins. All are good for the skin. It's antibacterial and it restores moisture. 2 tablespoons of castor oil. And the next ingredient is 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil is extra moisturizing. It nourishes the skin, and then you won't need to moisturize your skin after you shower. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then go ahead and stir that up. Make sure that the honey gets all mixed up with all the other ingredients. And the last ingredient is 10 to 20 drops of essential oil. I'm going to go ahead and use 20 drops, 10 drops of cedar wood, and 10 drops of cinnamon bark. Now, cedar wood is anti-inflammatory, it is antimicrobial, it's good for acne and soothes symptoms of eczema. 10 drops of cedar wood. And then 10 drops of cinnamon bark. Cinnamon bark alleviates aches and pains, stiffness and muscles, joints. It enhances the circulation, it nourishes the skin, and it revives the skin tone. So 10 drops of cinnamon bark. And we'll go ahead and stir that up. Make sure the scent is throughout. And I'm using an 8-ounce amber bottle. Now, generally when you use essential oils, you want to use glass, but amber will be the next best thing. It will not let the UV rays go in and destroy the essential oils. And since you're going to be having it in a bath, I think it would be safer. And I have a little funnel here. And I'll try to pour it without making a mess. I think I can get the whole thing in. And there you have it, another do-it-yourself body wash. Now, both of these body washes will have a shelf life of about a year. I hope you've had as much fun watching these as I have had making them. My next video is going to be mustache wax. So if that interests you or any of the other videos, please subscribe and hit the little bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Or if you have something that you want me to try to make, please leave it in the comments below. Comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.